Hi everyone, I'm Didi Reyes from ARB19. I'll be sharing my thought about the ballistic laboratory and why I'm really looking forward to it. Why am I most excited to try this laboratory? I'm most excited about this laboratory because it gives me the chance to see how science and criminology work hand in hand. Firearms and ammunition are often involved in crime, and being able to understand how bullets and guns are examined feels like stepping into the real world of criminal investigation. It's not just theory anymore, it's the actual application of what we've been studying. What skills do I expect to gain from this lab? From this lab, I expect to gain skills in handling and identifying firearms and ammunition, understanding how ballistic evidence is collected, and most importantly, learning how to examine bullet and cartridge cases under the microscope. I also hope to develop critical observation skills and accuracy in documentation, since small details can be a big difference in solving cases. How will these skills help me in criminology journey and future career? These skills are very important in criminology journey because they prepare me to become a competent crime investigator. Ballistic is often the key is solving shooting incident, and the ability to analyze evidence properly can help me in delivering justice in my future career, whether I become a forensics expert or a law enforcer. The knowledge and discipline I gained from this laboratory will identifiably make me more effective and trustworthy in field. So that's why I'm really excited for the ballistic laboratory. It's an opportunity to gain hands-on experience, sharpen my investigative skills, and prepare myself for the responsibility that come with being a criminologist.